Hello, welcome back to Excel Mind. In our previous video we have seen how to create speedometer. If you missed that, you can check link above at top right side. In today's video we'll learn to create circular speedometer as seen on screen. You can do more with chart we'll show you in our later videos. In next video we'll see how to create chart with VBA. Now let's start with tutorial. To make a circular speedometer we need to set of data. First range. And second criteria. Under criteria, we have 3 cells. Target, which should be 100%. Target achieved, you can write any number. And lastly, under pending, it will be target minus achieved. Now let's chart, and to do that we need 2 chart and later we'll combine both. To add chart area, go to Insert then Pie option and click Donut option. Under blank chart area, right-click and then click Select Data. Under New pop-up window, click Add button. Under Range Name, select Range Heading, or you can type anything of your own. Under Series, select the complete cell under Range Heading. Click OK once the selection has been made, and Add been added. Remove the labels by clicking on plus sign and uncheck the boxes. And now it's time to change the color, and to do that click on Chart. Then right-click and select Format Data. Make few changes space section as per your choice so that you speed circle look perfect. We kept our range to 5. Looks perfect. So, let's change the color by clicking on Color Cell option. Click then Solid Color and change it to green or any color you like. We used green so that chart show us achieved part in that, and pending part in red. Now go to Border and change it to white by selecting Solid. Our first part of chart is completed. Now it's time to make second one. Again, right-click on chart area and then click Select Data. Under pop-up window click Add button. Type name as Speed, or anything of your choice. Under Series, select first 2 cell of your criteria. Hit OK once you added the data. Now you can see 2 charts has been created, and now it's time to merge both, and to do that go to Design and click Change Chart Type. Under New pop-up window click Combo. Then change both the chart type to donut type and click the checkbox in front of Speed Chart. Return to chart screen by click on OK. Now click on right side of chart area and select half of chart. And change it color to no fill. Do the same to border. Now go the other side of chart and select it, and change it color to solid fill and select color as red. Change the transparency level as per your wish, so that white line of first chart is slightly visible. Looks perfect. Now you can check by changing data and your chart will work fine. To make it look more realistic, we can increase the inner circle size. Click on Chart, then right-click, and select Format Data. Under the donut hole size section, change the range and raise it till 70. Change the option to Speed from above drop down, and do the same for first chart. Size to 70. Looks perfect. Now it's time to add label, and to add that, go to Insert tab. Select Insert Text Box, and place it, by left click of mouse, wherever you want that to be added. Then go to Formula Bar, and type equal to B1. We have added B1 because our label was at that cell. You can select your label cell. You can remove the border line and background color from Format tab. And change the font color and size from Home tab. Now repeat the same step to add percentage number to chart. Insert tab, then insert text box and add range under Formula Bar. Do the formatting from Format section so that your chart look presentive. Once done, you can check by changing data, and it should reflect on chart. If not, then arrange the box size. Once the whole step is correctly followed, your chart has been created. You can check it's working fine. Thank you for watching. In our next tutorial we'll learn how to make pin speedometer with VBA. Do share and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorial.